Hello students, welcome once again in our new video. In our previous video, we saw what the summary is and how to write it. Also we saw the do's and don'ts while writing summary. Today in our new video, we are going to see one example of summary writing. Okay, first of all, I will read the passage and then I will tell you how to write the summary of this particular extract. Okay, now see the passage. We often hear a statement that many of our young people spend more time before their TV sets than they do in their classrooms or with their textbooks. A bit exaggerated, though it may sound, it is nearly true, and our teenagers are being considerably influenced by the electronic media, particularly the TV. The television has become the single most powerful influence in the lives of many of our youngsters today. Too often, this happens to us much before we realize it ourselves. I am in no way trying to deny the many advantages of TV or minimize its manifold contributions in our world. On the other hand, I consider TV as one of the greatest scientific achievements of our times, bringing people closer than ever before. Television's use of the modern satellite technology brings today even the remotest regions of the world to us in seconds, making the world a small global village. As we know, television also provides us with a fuller and more impressive coverage of current events than any other media. The TV does serve, in addition, as a medium of education as well as entertainment. Besides helping us to learn subjects taught in schools, college in greater depth, it enables us, National Geographic, Discovery channels, etc., to see and appreciate from close quarters without having to go there, which is very expensive or even impossible for most of us. The wonders of God's creation in any part of the world. Okay, so this is our extract. Now, see the question. Write a summary of the above extract with the help of the clues given. Give your summary a suitable title. See, the clues are given, and according to these clues, according to these points, we have to write our summary. Now, see what are the points. TV, misunderstanding, influence of youngsters, advantages, other benefits. Understand? So these are the points, and according to these points, we have to write our summary. Before turning towards our answer, it is necessary for us to learn what the passage is about. I think within my writing, you have understand what the passage is about. It is about television and its impact, particularly on youngsters, particularly on teenagers. Teenagers means the children of your age. You are now in your teen age. Okay, so the passage tells us about the impact of television on teenagers. It is also about the advantages and benefits of television. In our provided extract, 4 paragraphs are there. It is necessary for us to understand the extract thoroughly. The extract tells us that youngsters are influenced by e-media. E-media means electronic media, and particularly the extract tells us the influence of television. We can't deny that it is one of the greatest scientific achievements of our times. It brings people closer than ever before. By using modern satellite technology, television brings the remotest regions of the world to us in seconds. It means that television makes the world a small village, a small global village. It is a medium of education as well as entertainment. The channels like National Geographic, Discovery provide us the option to see the wonders of God's creation. Okay, do you understand what the passage is about? See, the passage tells us about the impact of television on youngsters. Passage आपल्याला काय सांगतोय? Television. Particularly, it tells us about e-media, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया. आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियामध्ये रायटरने फोकस कशावर केलेला आहे तर टेलिव्हिजनवर, टीव्हीवर. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट युअर सेल्फ. हाऊ मच टाइम यू स्पेंड वॉचिंग टीव्ही. टीव्ही बघण्यासाठी आपण किती वेळ स्पेंड करतोय जरा स्वतःला विचारा. या टेलिव्हिजनचा टीनएजर्सवर काय इफेक्ट होतो याबद्दलचा हा पॅसेज आहे. इट इज अ सायंटिफिक इन्व्हेन्शन. एक सायंटिफिक इन्व्हेन्शन आहे. सायंटिफिक इन्व्हेन्शनचे जसे बेनिफिट्स आहेत तसेच तुम्हाला त्याचे प्रॉज अँड कॉन्स दोन्ही मिळणार आहेत. ओके, जसे फायदे आहेत तसेच तोटे सुद्धा आहेत. या पॅसेजमध्ये किंवा या एक्स्ट्रॅक्टमध्ये आपल्याला या टेलिव्हिजनचा टीनएजर्सवर कशा पद्धतीने परिणाम होतोय हे थोडक्यात दिलेलं आहे. ओके, 4 पॅराज आहेत. प्रत्येक पॅरामध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे हे समजणं आवश्यक आहे. जसं ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत तसेच डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस सुद्धा आहेत. पण जर आपण नॅशनल जिओग्राफिक, डिस्कव्हरी चॅनलचा जर विचार केला तर आपल्याला त्यातून घेण्यासारखं बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आहेत. आणि टेलिव्हिजनमुळे काय झालेलं आहे तर जग म्हणजे एक छोटंसं विलेज बनलेलं आहे. बिकॉज विदिन अ सेकंड वी कॅन रीच ॲट द व्हेरी कॉर्नर ऑर द रिमोटेस्ट एरिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अगदी लांब असलेल्या, दूर असलेल्या भागात सुद्धा आपण टेलिव्हिजन थ्रू पोहोचू शकतो. Understand? So it is what our passage is about. Now, if you remember, in my first video about the summary writing, what I told you that you have to read the passage twice, thrice, and afterwards you have to underline the main points from the extract. Okay. Now, as I read the passage, now what we have to do? First of all, we have to underline the main points from the para. Okay. Now see, the first para, it tells us how the teenagers are influenced by e-media, particularly by television. First para आपल्याला काय सांगतो आहे की ई मीडियामध्ये टेलिव्हिजनचं एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे की टीव्हीने किंवा टीव्हीचा या लहान मुलांवर किंवा टीन एजर्सवर कसा परिणाम झालेला आहे. इजंट इट? सो अंडरलाइन द लाइन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पॅरा. सी द लाइन. Our teenagers are being considerably influenced by the electronic media, particularly the TV. So whatever the part we underline, it is the main part, it is the main point from the first para. Now we will turn towards the second para. See, our second para tells us about the advantages of television. Understand? So underline the line. I am in no way trying to deny the many advantages of TV. And the last line from the same para, what is the last line? See, bringing people closer than ever before. Now turn towards the third para. It tells us about the modern satellite technology. So underline the first line. What is the line? Television's use of the modern satellite technology brings today even the remotest regions of the world to us in seconds. Understand? See, it brings the remotest regions of the world to us in seconds. Within second, we can reach the remotest region. अगदी सेकंदामध्ये सुद्धा आपण खूप दूरच्या भागामध्ये थ्रू टेलिव्हिजन पोहोचू शकतो. अंडरस्टँड? नाउ सी द लास्ट पॅरा. It tells us about the important channels like National Geographic, Discovery channels. I think most of the students from you like to watch these channels. Understand? So underline that part, the part which tells us about National Geographic and Discovery channels. Okay. Now see what we have do. See, we have gone through the main points from the extract. Understand? Now, before writing the answer, first of all, we have to suggest a suitable title for the extract. According to me, as the passage tells us about television, so our title should be Television, a Great Invention. Okay, now see, main points are in front of us. Now, what is our answer should be? See, my answer. And see, your summary shouldn't be same like me, की तुमची पण समरी अगदी माझ्यासारखीच यायला पाहिजे असं नाही. तुम्हाला काही वेगळं वाटत असेल, तुम्ही वेगळी सुद्धा समरी लिहू शकता. बट कीप इन माइंड दॅट युअर समरी शुड बी विदिन 5 to 6 सेंटेन्सेस ओनली. तुमची समरी किती लाईन्स मध्ये पाहिजे? 5 to 6 सेंटेन्सेस मध्ये पाहिजे. ओके, नाउ सी माय आन्सर. The youngsters are influenced by electronic media, particularly by television. We cannot deny the advantages of television. It has brought people much closer than ever before. By using modern satellite technology, television brings the remotest regions of the world to us in seconds. It is a medium of education as well as entertainment. The channels like National Geographic, Discovery provide us the option to see the wonders of God's creation. This much only. Okay, my answer is over. Now see, this is what our summary is. Now you can compare our given extract with this answer. All the main points are there in our answer. Okay, so within minimum words and sentences, without changing the main idea and the meaning of the extract, you have to write the summary. What you have to focus on. See, you don't have to change the meaning of the passage. Passageचा meaning change करायचा नाहीये. Whatever the main points are there, we highlighted these points, we underlined these points, and see, these important points should be there in your summary. Okay, so this is what summary writing is. I think you have understand it. See, just read the passage twice, thrice, so that you will get the idea. And the passage is so simple. It is about the television as well as the impact of television on the youngsters. यंगस्टर्सवर म्हणजे तरुण वर्गावर टेलिव्हिजनचा काय इम्पॅक्ट होतो, कसा इम्पॅक्ट होतो, परिणाम कसा होतो, हे या पॅसेजमध्ये दिलेलं आहे. सो पॅसेज 2 वेळा 3 वेळा रीड करा, सो दॅट यू विल गेट द आयडिया अबाउट द पॅसेज अँड इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू टू राईट द summary. Okay, thank you.